In this video, we are going to learn how we can add border to the cell. To add border to the cell, first select the cell. Like here, we want to add border to our title, monthly budget. So we will select A1 and B1. Like this. Then click to Home tab over here. And in that, go to Font section area. Over here. And in that, click to Bottom border. Like this. The moment we click to bottom border, list of border will appear in front of us. We can select from the list. Like here we can select bottom border. We can select right border, all border and so on. Or we can customize our border. To customize border, click to more borders over here. In that, click to border. This one. Here over on the right, we have preview window. This one. Our customized border will preview over here. Here we have certain style option and also we have color option over here. Through this we can customize our border. Now suppose we want thicker border. So we will select thicker border, this one. After selecting our border, now we have to click where we want over preview window. Like this. Now suppose we want to change color. So click to this color option, down arrow. And select the color. Like here we are selecting this gold one. Like this. Well, it didn't update over preview. So once we have selected color, we can then click where we want to apply that color. Like this. After selecting style and color, there are certain options that we can use. From here, we are selecting outline. Like this. So once we have done, then click OK. Like this. The moment we click OK, our customized border has applied over here. So like this we can add border to the cell. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.